Let this soft mineral melt in your mouth to rebuild teeth and gums overnight. If you suffer from bleeding gums, bad breath, cavities or decaying teeth, then you need to see this. People are transforming their teeth and gums into a Hollywood smile by letting this soft mineral melt in their mouth. Scientists from Harvard University confirmed that people who have good teeth have a high population of good bacteria in their mouth, known as microbiome. Many common dental products such as toothpaste and mouthwash contain ingredients that can destroy the microbiome in your mouth. This is why teeth can thrive for hundreds of years outside of the mouth, but while inside our mouth they get ruined by eating something so simple as chocolate. A world-renowned doctor discovered a strange soft mineral that can erase years of damage done to your oral cavity and give you that white, gleaming smile you've always wanted. The dental industry has been in absolute shock, as this soft mineral is backed by real, solid science. Remember, this has nothing to do with expensive procedures, medication, implants or root canals. Stop what you're doing and click the Learn More button below to watch a short free video that shows how you can take advantage of this soft mineral and smile with confidence once again. 132,605 people are already using this soft mineral and have been able to regrow their teeth and gums successfully, while also restoring their confidence with the Hollywood smile they always dreamed of. Just imagine, no more inflamed bleeding gums or blood taste in your mouth. No more throbbing pain and bad breath. Never having to cover your mouth or feel embarrassed. And never having to visit a dentist office again. The billion-dollar dental industry doesn't want you to discover this secret soft mineral. As their entire business relies on your teeth and gums getting worse and worse, more painful, staying a customer for life. Click the Learn More button below, before this video is removed from the internet.